Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Matthew Solomon, top 2 in the June 2017 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button in order for you to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Matthew.
So, which of the following is not a kind of medical evidence? Okay, which of the following is not a kind of medical evidence? So, pag ang pinag-uusapan natin mga kaibigan ay medical evidence, tatandaan nyo yung acrostic na RTED. RTED. Okay? So, ano-ano ba yung kinds of medical evidence? RTED, what is R? Real evidence. Okay, what is T? Testimonial evidence. What is E? Experimental evidence. Okay, so and yung isa is yung documentary and yung physical evidence. Okay, so RTED. So alin dito ang hindi kasali sa uri ng medical evidence? Real, testimonial, experimental, documentary, and physical evidence. Okay, so the answer here is photographic evidence. Okay, RTEDP pala. RTEDP, okay, physical evidence, not photographic evidence. Okay? So, sir, ano ba yung autoptic evidence? Okay? Pag sinabi po natin autoptic evidence, it is also the same with real evidence. Okay? Or object evidence. Yan. Ito yung evidence na ina-address yung senses ng court. Okay? What are the senses ba? Di ba? Yung sense of sight, touch, hearing, etc. So kapag ipinakita, di ba? Pinahawak, pinarinig, those are object evidence. Those are real evidence or autoptic evidence. Okay? So, so ibig sabihin, kasali siya. It is a kind of medical evidence. So what are the kinds of medical evidence? Real, autoptic, or object, testimonial, experimental, documentary, and physical evidence. So alin dyan ang hindi isang uri ng medical evidence? That is photographic evidence. Okay? Ayan. Next. Okay, so sabi dito, these are articles, okay, and materials found in connection with the investigation and aid, okay, in the establishment of the identity of the perpetrator. Okay? So ito yung mga uri ng evidence na makikita natin sa crime scene, okay, na may kinalaman sa investigation and it deals with the identity of the perpetrator or in the circumstances surrounding the commission of the crime. Okay, so anong tawag natin doon? So yung mga nakikita natin na evidence sa crime scene na sinasabi, okay, ikaw yung pumatay, ganito paraan niya pinatay, etc. etc. Anong tawag natin? Okay, very good. That is physical evidence. Okay, that is physical evidence. Okay, so meron tayong iba't ibang uri ng physical evidence, di ba? So sa CDI dadaanan din yan yung tracing, di ba? Yung tracing evidence, yung associative evidence, tsaka yung corpus delicti. Alright? So dadaanan yan. So when we say documentary evidence, okay, ginagamit yung documents, okay, as proof of their content. So ang pinapatunayan niya yung kanyang nilalaman. Okay, yung nilalaman ng dokumento. Alright? And then when we say experimental evidence, okay, ito yung mga experiment ng experts. Okay, so halimbawa, you will prove na in a certain set of circumstances, ganito yung mangyayari kapag kaganyan, ganito, di ba? So yung experiment ng doktor o kaya yung mga studies ng doktor, ito yung ginagamit natin, okay, as evidence. So those are experimental evidence. Okay? So articles found in connection with the investigation, that is physical evidence. Okay? And next. So this rule states that the greater the number of points, okay, of similarities and dissimilarities, okay, there is a greater probability ng conclusion to be correct. Yan, napag-aralan na natin yan sa nung unang araw, di ba? So basically, ang sinasabi natin, mas maraming magkapareho, okay, mas maraming pagkakaiba, mas mataas ang chance na maging tama ang ating conclusion. Okay? So, halimbawa, yung mata niya, singkit. Sapat na ba yun para masabi na yung singkit na yun ay si Juan? O, di ba? Hindi. Pero kung sinabi mo, yung mata, yung ilong, yung ganito yung itsura niya, and it all matches Juan, okay? Mas mataas ang probability na yung tao nga na yun ay si Juan. O, di ba? So, anong principle yan? That is the law of multiplicity of evidence. Okay? The law of multiplicity of evidence. Yan. Okay, so sir, ano naman yung odd-even rule? Okay, odd-even rule. So, nabanggit din natin yan, di ba? So, kapag there are even numbers of entry wound and exit wound, okay, may even number, halimbawa, dalawang exit, dalawang entrance. So, 4, di ba? So, pag even daw, the presumption is wala daw bullet na na-lodge sa katawan ng tao. But, kapag odd number, okay, for example, 5, okay, so presumption is mayroong 1 or more bullets na na-lodge sa katawan ng tao. So, anong tawag natin dyan? That is the odd or even rule. Okay? So mamaya pag-aaralan natin yung 3R rule, okay, and the RFC rule. Okay, so pag-aaralan natin mamaya yan pagdating sa glass fracture. So those 2 rules sa glass fractures yan. All right? So okay, later on we will go into depth with that. Okay, so next. Yan. Pag sinabi nating manner of walking. Yan. So ito daw yung paraan ng paglalakad. So ito yung paano ka maglakad. Yan. So ano yung tawag natin sa manner of walking ng isang tao? Yan. Manner of walking. What is your answer? Is it mannerism? Okay. Facies? Okay. Hippocratic or gait? Yan. So what is the answer? Okay. So mannerism, fascist, Hippocratic, or gait? Yan. Very good. So the answer is, yes, the answer is gait. Pag sinabi natin gait, ito yung paraan kung paano maglakad ang isang tao. Okay? So, ano yung mannerism? Okay? Ito yung habit which is peculiar sa isang tao. So, ginagamit natin yan for the identification of a person, no? So, fascist. Okay? Ito yung pagmumuka. Actually, yung face ng isang tao, yung facial expression ng isang tao, ginagamit natin yan sa sa identification of a person. Okay? And sir, when we say Hippocratic, okay, Hippocratic, it is a kind of fascist. So Hippocratic fascist. So mamaya makikita natin yung itsura niya, no? So ang tatandaan nyo lang sa Hippocratic fascist is that ito daw yung muka ng isang taong malapit ng mamatay. Okay? So ito daw yung muka ng isang taong malapit ng mamatay. So tawag natin doon ay Hippocratic fascist. Okay? Yeah, next. Okay. So, sabi natin kanina, okay, ang manner of walking ay tinatawag nating gait. Okay? Gait. Now, sabi dito, Balmond is walking peculiarly. Okay? Where his foot is raised high, okay, and then thrown forward and then suddenly brought down. So, basically, para siyang nagmamarcha. Okay? What kind of gait does Balmond have? Okay? So ito daw ay nakikita sa mga taong nagsasuffer from tabes dorsalis. Ang tabes dorsalis, it is a form of poisoning sa mga tao na kung saan naapektuhan niya, okay, yung kanyang spinal cord, which in turn is nagre-resulta sa loss of coordination ng muscles. Okay, so that is tabes dorsalis. So ano daw yung tawag natin na biglang itinaas, okay, tapos thrown forward and suddenly brought down. Okay, so yan, very good. Ang tawag natin dyan ay ataxic gait. Yan, ataxic gait. So tandaan yan, ha. Okay, next. Ano naman yung waddling gait? Waddling gait. Okay, so pag sinabi po natin waddling gait, ayan, ito yung ataxic gait, ano? So makikita nyo, bigla niyang itataas yung kanyang paa, okay? And then, para siya nag-umarcha basically, di ba? So thrown forward and then suddenly brought down. So ganyan siya maglakad. So because of the loss of coordination sa kanyang muscles, okay? So because of yung sakit niya na tabes dorsalis, ganyan siya maglakad. So ang tawag natin diyan ay ataxic gait.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!